Let's see how to create a new document in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to create a new document that is separate from our current document. So what we can do is click on the File tab and click on the second option right here, which says New. And here you can either select to create a blank document, or if you have a preferred template in mind, which you can also search for. So for this one, let's select a blank document. And as you can see, that will create a new window, which is a blank document for Microsoft Word. And you'll also notice when we hover to this Microsoft Word window here at the bottom, that we still have our previous document open. Now, a faster way you can do this is by using the shortcut Control key plus N, which will also create a new blank document, such as this one. And that is how you can create a new document in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.